Cole here with Energy Marketing. Wanted to make a quick video showing you how to contest a Google Ads policy violation for abortion. From time to time, your ad account is going to get flagged for crazy things that have nothing to do with the copy or your product. Abortion is one of them, and you just have to appeal it to use the assets that are being flagged. First things first, you want to appeal the issue. So what you want to do is go into the account, go to Policy Manager, find the abortion flag, then click on the assets that are being flagged for the policy issue, hover over the reasons, the explanation for the status reason, and then click Appeal, Dispute Decision, and then check off that you have reviewed and understand the policy. We have actually already disputed this issue and nothing has happened. So what we're going to do is first have a look at the extension itself, see if there's anything that could possibly flag this in the copy. I don't think so. I mean, this looks fine to me. Maybe it's something to do with this URL. We're being flagged for another destination not working issue in this particular site link as well. So updating that final URL may resolve this, because Google does look at the copy on your landing page in order to determine if there's an issue. What I'm going to do here is update the URL to see if that resolves the flag. So go ahead and go into the final URL field, update it with this new URL, click save. What you're going to want to do is just monitor things. First, we'll click Appeal, Made Changes to Comply with Policy, and check off this by submitting this appeal. I've reviewed and understand the policy referenced above option, and click Submit. So that's one option. The other thing you can do is actually reach out to Google Ads support. To contact Google Ads support, you'll open up this chat using the help icon. Very annoying. Google added this about 2 months ago, and now it's a little bit more difficult to get in touch with support, but go through that interface and just explain your issue. So we're being flagged for abortion in our ads, incorrectly for abortion in our ads. Talk with representative. You have to answer a few questions. He's going to try to answer it for yourself. Keep mentioning a representative. Okay, so you're going to want to try to use either chat or phone. Because there's an 8-minute wait, I won't go through the chat in this video. But once you actually connect with somebody, the important thing is going to be explaining why the flag is incorrect and showing them proof of the fact that it's an incorrect flag. So take screenshots of the flag, take screenshots of the copy that has nothing to do with the flag in question, and request for them to do a manual review. Sometimes they'll tell you that's impossible. They are lying. They can do a manual review. You just have to be persistent and demand that they do it. Cool. So that's how you overturn an abortion flag. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe. Cheers.